You're kind of good at that.
I've done a few.
Yeah, just a few.
A couple little welds.
Did you learn from YouTube?
Yeah, actually I did. At my first welding job, I told them I knew how to weld. I didn't.
Well, I think you figured it out. Woo! Is that it?
Almost.
There she is.
That's it. Just needs that inch cut off. Bingo.
So Corey, tell me why we have to cut some off on that.
Well, to fit in the bender, the pipe needed to be a fuzz longer. So you gotta make it extra long to get that bend in there and cut off the excess.
What usually happens when I design something?
It's too short to bend. Gotta go back and add length to the pipe.
Making tube front parts, gonna go check them. Oh. Oh man. Oh man, I think we got Holly stuff. Oh man. Oh man, I'm gonna have to come back for you. Dang, C5 bash bar, dude? Dude, what is that?
That's the build sheet.
Is that really?
Power seats,
Oh my god.
covers, paint, painted top.
228 2000.
Bowling Green assembly.
Oh yeah.
Dang, it's got a free spider with it too. That is wild. That was in the bumper?
You think they put them there stock?
That might be where they put them there. That is insane. Your car is almost 24 years old.
Yeah, 2 weeks away.
Dang, Leo about to be not interested.
I got my new helmet.
Dude, it's perfect.
The visibility
Is it-
is kind of shit, but
How's the breathability of it though?
it's really light.
Is it? Like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, that's nice. I like the earpieces, you know?
It's got a flip up visor.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Matte. I just did a matte.
Yes, you did. It's fun every now and then, ain't it? What brand is this? Wait a minute. Nos? Oh, Simps on. Gotcha. Simps on.
Okay. We've reached our joke quota.
Oh, fine.
Oh my.
It's got that carbon fiber wrap on it.
Yeah.
It's a sticker. Ooh, hang on, let me.
Nope.
I want to feel hot. Oh my god. Oh my
Almost as
god.
light as my motorcycle.
I like that it's not just like a Spaceballs helmet, that it actually has some definition to it
Yeah.
around it. Like, that's nice.
Oh man. Oh man, we got something good. What is it? Think you got a bumper for me?
Yes.
Yayo. Is that the box?
What are we opening today, Scott? What?
Dude, there's so many things.
Oh.
Oh, don't trust me with these things.
Oh, can I want to zoom in already. Hurry up. Get tired of waiting. That is a beautiful plastic bag.
Your boy opted for black grills. Corey's an old man and likes chrome. He also likes the factory badges. We are not putting factory badges back in this. I got tape stuck to me. There's a theme to this car, and this is part of it. So you've all seen a CTS-V wagon, and you know which one looks the coolest. So I think you should know where this one goes. Okay.
Yeah.
On it.
Finally to the entree.
Wow. There it is.
I won't be like that girl on TikTok.
Oh.
Cadillac. Mercedes.
Yeah.
Whatever the hell she said. Oh, what do we got here? Are them carbon fiber?
No.
No. Kind of looks like carbon fiber in the package.
Dude, little chrome bezel johnnies.
I like that.
Today is just one of the greatest days of all time. My favorite part for this car, hands down, is here, and I'm so excited to share it. What a unit, dude. I'm so happy. I have no words. Hillborn ITBs. That's all there is to say. ITBs on a big cube LS with nitrous, with a sprint car air filter. Shit's gonna be wild.
Look at that nice machine work.
More airflow than we know what to do with. I am so excited! Bop! 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 This other box is equally as important. This is Holly Terminator. Thank you to Holly for always supporting the projects that we're doing and having amazing products that we can use for these cars. I mean, everything from AN fittings to obviously the most crazy intake setup that you could have for an LS, the Terminators and nitrous and everything we can imagine. From the radiator on here, they just have everything. Go check out our wish lists. They are in our descriptions. My wish list for the Caddy has everything that's going to be on there from this Terminator, the Hillborn, fuel setup, and everything like that. So you can check out our wish lists for these cars to see what we're running on them, but also just check out the website and see what they have for your projects, because they have something for everybody. Goodbye. Thank you to everybody. Thank you, Holly. I'm so excited for these projects. The fucking Caddy's gonna be nuts. Dude, that's it. I'm just excited.
You gotta go like this. You gotta do that at the end.
I gotta do that at the end?
Yes. That's how you close the video out.
That's a wrap!